Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best multi-purpose meditation chairs that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Vivo Folding Floor Chair. You can't truly get into a deep relaxation state without the right back support and padding, and this chair has both. This option from Vivo is great whether you're camping, or glamping, meditating, or just sitting around your house. And let's be honest, since we're spending more time at home these days, don't you deserve to be comfortable? This chair is easy to fold up and carry so you can get your own on anywhere, and it's adjustable for a customized fit. Some reviewers thought the chair could use more padding, but overall, reviews were positive, mentioning how useful this chair could be for work, outdoor events, or just relaxation. Other reviewers also noted how much this chair helps them with their posture, which is great because we can't be the only ones with major text necks. Moving on at number 4, we have Sundale Folding Floor Chair. Maybe you're not totally sure about this meditation thing, or you just want to test out a floor chair to make sure you'll use it. This basic option from Sundale may be the one to try. It has all the useful features you expect from a meditation chair: adjustable back, padded seat, easy to clean polyester cover, portability, at a relatively low price. It may not be the prettiest meditation chair in the bunch, but overall, reviewers seem reasonably happy with the comfort level of this chair and mention using it while watching their children, working, and just relaxing. Some reviewers mentioned that this chair was better for short-term use, so read the reviews to make sure it'll work for your needs. At number 3, we have Waitrum Indoor Adjustable Floor Chair. This cushy floor chair is giving us major lazyboy vibes, and we're so here for it. The sturdy cotton, linen fabric cover resists pilling, which we hate, and can be spot cleaned when it starts to smell not so fresh. You can pick your own backrest position whether you need to be upright for those WFH days or you're relaxing for a binge-watching marathon. Also, this chair may look like it belongs in your rec room full-time, but you can easily transport and store it. Reviewers say this chair is sizable and comfortable enough to sit in all day. Unconfirmed, but this seat may even make back-to-back Zoom meetings bearable. If you can keep from falling asleep in it, that is. At number 2, we have Malu Luxury Padded Floor Chair with back support. This attractive microfiber meditation seat with vegan leather finishes delivers the right support to prevent slouching. Its backrest adjusts to 5 different positions. Featuring a removable cover, this chair is very easy to clean. It also packs up into a carrying position with built-in handle. One reviewer compared using this chair to sitting on a cloud. Others really appreciated the way it fully supported their backs. And finally at number 1, Giantex Adjustable Mesh Floor Sofa Chair. Having your meditation session interrupted because your chair broke is so not zen. With its sturdy steel frame, this chair should be able to hold up to any of the gaming, meditation, or other floor sitting activities you need to do, and at a lower price point. For those who want their floor chairs to feel just right, this chair offers 6 different positions and is covered in a breathable mesh cloth. The look is basic enough not to clash with most decor, but if you want room for activities, you can always lay it flat for under-bed storage. As far as our overall take on this chair, consider it a solid, dependable, budget-friendly option, if not the most comfortable and cushy choice. Reviewers gave the chair largely positive reviews but noted that the chair doesn't necessarily offer the most long-term comfort. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.